Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Claire here with Destin Creativity. I hope you are all fine. So this is another DIY that I made out of yarn. It's very simple. We just wanted to do something for our baby crib. All the material will be in the description box below. So if you're interested, just keep watching. And if you're new here, I welcome you. Just please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Thank you. Let's begin. For the material, I'm going to use a balloon and then glue. You can use white glue, but I use the clear glue, and also yarn. So what I did was to put glue in a bowl. I'd already done some projects, that's why there's thread there. And then I just diluted it with water and soaked the entire yarn in the glue. I then drew a circle, just the top part of the balloon. This will be the opening, so I'll know where my thread will pass. So all the next step is to wrap the yarn around the balloon. It might not be easy the first time. I had to do it several times for me to really master how to do it. And you don't have to be perfect. Even if you exceed the line, you can as well cut it when the yarn is dry. So this process is very messy. I would advise for you to wear gloves if you don't want any glue on you. Like a bird on a tree. Now that it's all done, we need to let it dry. I prefer getting a bowl because some of this glue will have to leak out, and just leave it there for 2 days because that way it will be dry and strong enough. So after the 2 days, this is how it would look like, and the next step is basically to deflate the balloon. I did 5 balloons, so I had five balls. Now I then cut out cardboard. The radius for this was 19 centimeters. Using a compass, I drew the circle and cut it out, and then covered it with contact paper. Now I advise you do it on both ends for needle work, but it's just that I didn't have enough contact paper. Now this is where the balls will be hanging, and I will begin with the lights because the middle ball will be lighting as the others around will not be lighting. So I started with the lights and then attached the balls. To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree.
I'm just sitting here. I got time.
So this is how I finally arranged them. I also ended up adding some pom-poms and used the strings to hang the whole arrangement from the ceiling. And I love the simple add to her room. And if you loved it as well, just please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For the other DIY, I did it some time back, so I left the link in my description box. Please go and check it out together with some other DIYs that I made. I hope you loved this. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.